kick.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Fiesty Nick, and today I'm going to share with you Indian online stores that you can shop from, and they have super affordable clothes and they have good quality clothes as well. The only thing that you have to do is download it from Play Store and you are good to go. And I have mentioned 7 Indian online stores that you can shop from, and they have clothes, accessories, bag, and other stuff as well. And so I have mentioned every online store that I actually shop from with my personal favorites recently, and I have also included their prices, and I have also included multiple sizes from small to 3XL to 4XL. Of the video I have shared a trick that is extremely useful to you, so watch till the end and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give it a like, comment down below, and let's get into the video.
Been friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys you choose, they don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you coming like a wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you.
So the trick: find something very expensive or something overpriced at Myntra. Go to Ajio and search for that brand. You might find that brand in Ajio, and they will have at least 100 to 200 rupees difference, and you can buy it from Ajio. And that is a very important trick, and I have used this a couple of times. I hope you like my video, and subscribe to my channel, give it a like and comment down below. Till then, goodbye.